memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love.
Hi guys, today I'll be creating a mohawk hairstyle, but first I used these gels to create the ponytails. I went ahead and sectioned the hair for the ponytail just to save some time.
In the night, you tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight. Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know you walk with me. I hold to what we created. All my pain wants you to be present. All my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing.
Now I'm going in with the Blessed Hands Unicorn Snot UL, and this is the bomb UL. You guys gotta check it out.
Surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing. Surrounded by angels, other angels tonight.
To create the mohawk hairstyle, I'll be using Expression Halfway Twist, and I'll use a piece of thread and just tie the hair in the middle. That's all I'm doing. I am using a bobby pin to insert the hair under the ponytail. Then I'm going in and just tuck the ear under as tightly as I can, and then use more bobby pins to secure the ends of the hair. And now I'm going on the top to do the same thing I did to the bottom. And I'll repeat this step until the hair is finished.
I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight. This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural, and even if you let your hair go wild, and if you take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup every baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real.
Here you have the finished look, you all. I am in love with how the hair turned out, guys. But I wish I used lesser hair so that it gives the mohawk a more natural look. So I could just take out one of the ponytail and omit two of the hair. But that is okay. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. If you're interested in this hair, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys.